Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Flux AI image generator. This tutorial will be quite quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now, Flux AI is basically owned by Black Forest Labs, and they have some examples of their created images, as you may see. They are very high quality and very real, as you may see. These are all created by them. And now you go back to you want to go to fluxai.io. As you can see, they have AI image generator. Now they also now offer video generator. So you can also turn your text into your stunning videos, and that's pretty much it. There's also photo to video and some other like anime generator and so on and so forth. So you want to go ahead and click on free trial here, and you want to go ahead and create your new account with them. You want to go ahead and sign up. You can also go ahead, let's go ahead and check out their pricing. So as you may see, they have a free option for 40 credits. You have an option to choose the free one, or you can also choose a plan like a monthly standard, popular, and professional. Now, once you will choose your plan, you can go ahead and go to the tools. They have some free tools like Flux Image Converter and Prompt Generator. So I'm just going to go ahead to Flux AI Image Generator. And now you can go ahead and generate it for 10 coins. You have 40 of them. And you need to go ahead and input your prompt here. So what do you want? So I just wrote down something like so: Jaguar cat on skates, skate rollers, in the rain on a busy city street. So then you're gonna click generate, and you're gonna wait a little bit for it to generate your image. And here is your image. You can go ahead and check for details. This is your image. You can go ahead and save it. The resolution is quite good, as you may see, and the image size is also quite big. But basically that's how you use Flux AI. You can also, of course, go ahead and use a video generator. It's basically the same. You just need some prompts, which you can also go ahead and get from like ChatGPT. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.